Hi you guys, welcome back. Today we're making flan and I'm super excited to share this recipe with you guys. First, let's start off with, please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, hit the like button and hit that notification button as well. And please share the video so other people could get this recipe. This is super easy to make and one of my favorite dishes. One, because I love flan, but it's super easy to make. So the ingredients you're gonna need is, we're gonna first start off with, this flan is not just your regular flan. This is flan de queso, flan de queso. Okay, so cream cheese, you're gonna need that. One box of this, which is 8 ounces. You're gonna need 1 can of sweet condensed milk, 1 can of crema media, 4 large eggs. You're gonna need your white sugar that I always have in my handy little thing. White sugar. You're gonna need milk, okay? And you're gonna use, let me see how many ounces, 14 ounces of milk, because what I do is that once you empty out this condensed milk in your batter, just put the milk in here, fill it up, and then it kind of also rinses off all the goodness of the sweet condensed milk into your batter, but I'll show you all that kind of stuff. Utensils you're gonna need is probably like a hand blender thing. And now to show you the steps on how to do everything. So now what we're making here is gonna be the caramel for the flan. So first, you're gonna have the stove on medium high. You're gonna have 1 cup of sugar, white sugar, 1 cup. So you pour that in. Then you're gonna pour in 1/4 of a cup of water. Okay, and then we just wait until it starts melting and all this whiteness will turn to a caramel color. Once it's ready, we're gonna pour it into our dish. Let it cool down as we make the actual flan. So now we just stir it. Now some people make this caramel, this caramel for the flan without water. You can do this, but like again, this is my recipe. That's how I do it. So this is what I'm sharing with you guys. So hopefully you guys will like it. And you just stir it and wait until it all melts and changes colors. You'll see. Okay, you guys, you see it's starting to get like a little yellowy tint. Just continue on until you have that caramel look. So it's really hot. Be careful you do not get burned with this, because this will stick to your skin and it will be terribly painful. Once you're satisfied with your color, we're gonna pour it into our dish. Alright, and that's gonna be the syrup candy of our flan. Alright, we'll let that cool down. Okay, you guys. Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna make our flan. We're gonna start with our cream cheese. So we'll open that up. We're gonna have 1 can of the sweet condensed milk. We're just gonna start putting all of our ingredients in the bowl. And then I just put in the spatula in there to take out the rest of the sweet condensed milk that's remaining in the can. Okay, I poured in milk, regular milk, inside the little 14-ounce condensed milk can, remember? So I just put, this is regular milk. Okay. And then the media crema, amazing stuff. Okay, very good. Then we're gonna start cracking the eggs. All right, 4 eggs. Now I gotta wash my hands, so I'll be back. All right, I am back, hands washed. Please remember to always wash your hands before food prepping, during the food prepping, just always, that's just me. So once you have all your items in your container, you start blending them. One more thing that I forgot to mention is that you need vanilla extract. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of it. And yeah, 1 tablespoon. And you continue to blend. Another thing I forgot to mention, if you want your container to be sweeter, you could always add another can of sweet condensed milk. But this is, like I said, my little recipe that I enjoy, my family enjoys. So, but that's another alternative that you could do if you want your flan to be sweeter the next round, okay? All right, so I'm gonna still continue to blend to make sure everything is all smooth. The batter, the flan, and the caramel. And now I'm just gonna pour in our flan into the caramel. Once I pour it in, then we're gonna put it in the oven for 350 for an hour and a half. Okay. Okay, one more thing I forgot to mention. Then you're gonna grab an aluminum tray, so another item you might need, and fill it up with water, just a little bit, as you can see. Enough so when you're gonna put this dish, which is your flan, in the tray. And then the water's gonna rise and it's gonna cover up. You want the water to cover up to here. And then we were able to put it in the oven. Okay, so 350 oven for an hour and a half, and I'll show you the results in a bit. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished product. Isn't that flan delicious? Doesn't it look amazing? Now you guys know how to do flan de queso. Easy to make flan de queso, and you will impress everybody. Okay, now you're gonna refrigerate this flan for like an hour in the refrigerator, and you should be ready to go and take to the parties. I hope you guys all enjoyed the easy to make flan de queso. This is delicious, and I can't wait until you guys try it out yourself. And yeah, so hit that like button, subscribe, share the video, and you'll see more to come. See ya. Bye.